Hey, what's up everybody? In this video we're gonna change the windshield wiper of 2018 Toyota Camry. And with this certain car, the issue they have on the driver's side wiper, you can't lift it up straight, it's stuck with the hood. So to do that in changing position, you have to start the car or just turn on the ignition. Ignition is on, and turn off the ignition and put this wiper controller to the mist and hold it for a second, and they just come there and stays there. So this way it's gonna allow us to change the wiper easily. Let's just do it. So this way we can lift it up. Open this clip and slide it out. So easy. Put this on the side. We'll take the new one. Open it up. You grab this wiper. So install these on. This is the Rain-X silicone wipers. You push this one, slide it up, and then slide this thing up and close it. That's all. Let's move up to the next one. Same way. Move this tab and slide down the wiper and take it out. Look, they are all wearing out. Take out the new wiper. This is the design only with the Rain-X wipers. If you're using the stock wipers, it's very easy. Just one clip. So yes, push this tab, this side and the other side, and then lift it up just like that. So after that, goes in, slide it and lock it up and lock this tab. That's how easy they are. You see, I bought this car in 2018 and I'm changing my wipers in June 2021, and they're just wearing out the rubbers. See that? So I decided to change it, and this is the wiper I went with. So for 2018 Toyota Camry, the passenger side wiper number is 20, and the driver side wiper is 26. So let's just go around and bring the wiper back to the position they're supposed to. Turn on the ignition, hit it one more time. That's it. So now I can remove the protector layer, just slide it out. That's how easy they are. Lift it up, slide it out. Looks good. I like them. Alright guys, if this video helps you to change the wiper on your own, please hit a like and don't forget to subscribe.